Getting used to the family of God. Growing together, enjoying the tree. Getting used to the family, I'll spend eternity with. Learning to love Him, how easy it is. Getting used to the family of God. Climbing the mountains, crossing the plains, fording the rivers, sharing the pain. Sometimes the losses, and sometimes the gain. Getting used to the family of God. Reaching our hands to a brother that's near. Learning to say, my friends, I really love you. Learning to walk as the Father could do. Getting used to the family of God. Growing together, enjoying the tree. Getting used